Let's make sure we understand the concept of interval notation because some of our graphs may look a little different from what we're used to. Remember when we solve these linear inequalities, we're plotting things on a number line to make it easier to put our stuff in linear inequalities. So let's say we got an answer, and we will get some answers that look like this, that on our number line, we end up with an open circle 3, and our arrow makes us point to the right-hand side. So interval notation for this one, we would have a 3 with a parentheses around it, and the numbers are going to infinity, so our interval notation would look like this. We'd be going out to infinity. Remember, there's always a parenthesis around infinity. If, for instance, we get an answer, and we will get some answers that look like this, that has on it maybe a 4 with a closed circle, and our line going to 6 with an open circle. This would mean that we would have an interval notation of 4 with a bracket because it's a closed circle, and 6 with a parenthesis because it's an open circle. So we have some different kinds of answers. We may also have some interval notation that may come from a graph that looks like this. Maybe we have, let's say, a -2 and with an O circle pointing this way. And then we have a space on our graph, and maybe we have a 5 with a closed circle pointing this way. So this graph is a little strange. It has a hole. So in this problem, we would have interval notation that would start negative infinity, -2, parentheses around the -2 because it's the open circle, union, that's the hole, 5 with a bracket, to infinity. The 5 has the bracket because it has the closed circle. Those are just some of the kind of answers that you may end up with as you do some of these inequality problems. So you may need to review the interval notation if you want to. That's in your book, and it starts on page 3 if you go back and review that concept.